Hey, this is ASpengler, and in this video I'll be continuing taking apart my Kashyyyk Outpost MOC. This is part 2. I'll just quick show you what I've done so far. Taken off all the minifigures, droids, vehicles, the outpost thing, all the trees, all the grass, most of the detail part. Next I'll just be taking off the river, then I'll do this first like top detail part, and then I'll get more to the main covering, and then this whole structure of the terrain. Okay, next time you see it, I'll have taken off the river. Hey, we're coming back to see what I've done. I've taken off the river completely. I've got it all in here. I was originally going to sort that, but that would take me a very long time, so I'm not gonna. Probably just leave it in there. Now the whole river is gone. It kind of looks like a road there, so I put in some guys. Next I'll be taking off these kind of top layers or details of the terrain. Okay, we're back. I've taken off all the little detailed parts in the terrain. Now my MOC's looking pretty plain. Got all the pieces that I took off here. Here's kind of just the basic terrain. Okay, in the next section I'll be taking off all these top plates, and then you'll be able to see all the structure, and then after that I'll just finish it up. Okay, now I have all these detailed pieces off. So now you can see all the colorful structure pieces. Well, I guess I didn't get all of these off. They're the larger plates, so they get stuck in there. I'll have to take those off after I work towards them. That'll make it easier. Now you can see I use all my colorful pieces as structures. This is how I will usually structure my underneath the main colors. I left in these parts for now. I'll take those off in the next part, and also these black ones, and I'll try to get much of those off. And if you look closer, you can see this is double layered here, so I have this structure, and then I put more plates on here, and then I have another structure, so it's double layered in this area, and then just single layered here. I just added this white just to make it look a little bit higher right on that side. Also, these black plates, they made it a little bit higher up here. I added these little holes just kind of to get this area some depth in the terrain. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take off these, and probably these also. We're just gonna give you a quick look. I've just gotten all the river slanted pieces off. There's all of them. I've gotten most of the outlying parts around these, all around here, all the little holes. I got a little bit off this outer area, at least some of the pieces that were just exposed and easily able to take off. I've got those all here. Now I'm just going to start taking off these top plates, and then so you will be able to see some more of this foundation. And then after that, after I've removed like these top plates and these ones, I'll start removing all of this detailing. I'm running out of bins. Okay, let's go do that. Okay, so now I've gotten all those white pieces off, all the ones from here. I started getting off these black pieces, but some of these are held down along from these pieces. I got all these gray pieces off, and there's some white pieces. This container is completely full of white pieces. I've got most of the outside edge pieces over there. My gray bin is completely full of gray pieces. It's overflowing. Next, I'm going to take off all the support pieces. Okay, go ahead and do that. Okay, I've done quite a bit taking off all the colored support pieces, taking off 4 base plates worth. It filled up this whole bucket. I'm gonna have to find a bigger bucket because I still have quite a bit more. Now it's just this. This was this edge piece. I've got 4 base plates here. Next, I'll just be finishing up this area. Take off this section. Then I'll get more to this really dense area underneath here. Then I will be done taking apart my Kashyyyk Outpost MOC. Okay, I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, I've gotten most of the supports off. Got all this top area, all this there, the supports that were right here. Now it's just this dense, it's quite tough. This main support, last area, it's got the same structural stuff I had on the rest of it, just covered in colorful plates. Yep, that's all I have left to do. I couldn't find another one of these or more bin space, so I started using bags. Got these white pieces. I kept the white pieces and green pieces separate, just because I think I might use those in the future sometime. For these ones, maybe for like a winter battle. These green ones I think I'll use in my upcoming scene. Okay, next time you see this will all be gone. Okay, I finally have my Kashyyyk Outpost MOC completely taken apart. Here are most of the pieces. I don't have all like the guys and vehicles up here. 8 large gray base plates. Here's some of those detail plates, the gray ones. These are the outside along the edge plates. All these structural pieces. Here's some other ones that were detail or outside of the edge. There's the river edge. My dark green plates, my tan plates, dark tan, brown, green, These bins are completely full. These are my white plates I just used for detailing. I also have the black plates. I don't have them up here. Some white pieces, those are also for structure and just terrain. They're just some of my smaller pieces. Okay, I'm sorry I didn't get this video out earlier or over the weekend. It was taking me a lot longer to take apart than my Kashyyyk Outpost MOC than I had expected. I built it a little bit more dense than I had thought. My fingers hurt from pulling off all the pieces. And as far as upcoming things, now that this is all taken apart, I've been doing a little bit of research, and I think for my next project I'll do a World War II diorama up here. And it will be of the Battle of Metz. It's a battle that occurred between the German forces and the US forces in France, the city of Metz. It was a fortified city occupied by Germany. I will probably start that this weekend. I will be doing weekly segments on my work. Again, sorry for taking a while to upload this part 2 of taking apart Kashyyyk. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.